Starbucks has started offering pumpkin spice everything. There are pumpkin spice Twinkies, pumpkin spice Pop-Tarts. I don't know, what's next? Pumpkin spice soda? Pumpkin spice diapers? You know what that means. That means it is definitely September and definitely time for our September Ipsy. It's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I do unboxings and today is no exception. So I got my September Ipsy today. I'm excited. I'm ready. You're ready. So let's go. I'm still trying to get lighting right. And right now this is my only, spot. I mean, my husband set up an area for me to film in another room, but that is just definitely not anywhere close to being ready and does not have very good lighting at all. I mean, not like this one has the greatest lighting, but nobody cares. Anyway, here you go. Ba-ba-bam. Okay, still got this yellow protective covering I see, and the theme of the box for September 2019 is Find Your Light. I'm just realizing just how atrocious my nails are because I just got done cooking tonight. So I apologize for any dirty nails I have. That's super disgusting. So this first one that I'm looking at here is the, now I have not been able to pronounce this in the past, but I'm pretty sure I've heard people call it Illamasqua, I think that's what it is. Illamasqua. I have the anti-matter lipstick and mine is in Midnight. This is a British brand and it is cruelty-free. This is a bright red. It has vitamin E infused formula for a creamy application. Okay. All right, here's the thing. There is only so many reds that I can have in my collection. These take a lot of work to wear. Especially if it sounds like, this sounds like it might be a creamy formula. That's, it's nice to have a creamy lipstick, but usually when it's in a dark red like that, that means it's gonna go all over the place. But I am curious. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a try on here. So this is what the tubing looks like. All right. And okay, here we go. Here's the red. I guess I'll go ahead and swatch it on there. Try this on. We'll see how bad it smears. Yes, I do put shades on like this without lip liners. I don't know if that went on quite as creamy as it claimed that it would. So you're making red lipstick your look, your signature look. This is not gonna be a practical lipstick for you. Pretty sure I put in my survey that I didn't want any more reds. Well, let's be honest, no matter how much I try to be a dainty eater, I am not. So I have a feeling that the first meal that I eat with this stuff's just gonna come sliding right off onto my face into a big red disaster. It's not a bad color. I mean, it really isn't, but it's not a shade I'm gonna wear every day. I have a few reds now I had to get through. Oh, holy cow, who pays that for this? Seriously? Who do they think they are? Okay, so the Illamasqua Anti-Matter lipstick is $27. So I got the Ofra Madison Miller Midi Palette Miller Squad. It is very cute. Getting very similar to that typical Oprah packaging that we're used to now. Okay. So, and I've got it open up. This is a nice sturdy little container. You have a nice little mirror, and then of course you have a blush and two highlighters. They both look pretty pinky to me. I guess this one's a little bit more champagne-y. And this one over here might be a little bit more champagne-y, and this one over here is a little bit more pinky. You have blush on though already, so I don't know if I should go ahead and put more blush on top of this, but oh yeah, that's a look. That's a look. Cindy has definitely chosen to wear blush tonight, and that is a look, especially with that red. Whew, with that smoky eye and that red lip, and now the bright pink cheeks. I am ready for a night out on the town. Ooh, look at that. I would expect no less from Ofra. I really wouldn't. I guess I should have done that before I put on red lipstick. Hello. I've got it all over my brush. Isn't that lovely? Bam. Bam. Beautiful. Beautiful highlighter. The Massive Miller palette here retails for $35. I mean, I love Ofra highlighter. It's just I've gotten so many blushes and highlighters that there's probably no way in heck I'm ever going to go through all of them. This is interesting. I have the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I did get a Glam Glow in the, I think it was the skincare bra. I don't remember if it's, you know what, it might have been a regular BoxyCharm. Of course, that is the normal cleanser. It looks like this has some sort of exfoliant in it. I wonder if this tropical cleanse thing means that it has kind of like a tropical scent to it. That might be nice and refreshing. I guess I'm interested in getting as many cleansers as possible, but I got a lot of cleansers right now. That's all I gotta say. A lot of cleansers. I think I have like 3 or 4 other cleansers that would be up before I would even think about opening this, because let's see how long. Oh, well, 24 months. I guess I could open this just to try it, because I mean, I guess it's good for 24 months. So that's not bad. That's pretty decent longevity on that. It is formulated with ultra refreshing tea oxy, green tea leaf, purple clay. Ooh. I can never, I think it's goji, but it might be goji berries. Acai, now that I know. The retail value of the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser is $34. I don't have my glasses on, just so probably look better without it, but I'm definitely gonna be able to read better with this. Okay, so we have the Ciate Lende Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I probably will not be opening this anytime soon because I just opened my Becca powder that I got from my BoxyCharm last month today, and it feels very nice, might I add. I also don't use a whole lot of translucent powders. I know I should be setting under my eyes, but I feel like every single time I do that, it irritates my dry eye, and then I just tear up all day. And if I don't have the right mascara on, all my eye makeup just comes off. And even sometimes the best of mascaras just do not, you know, weather that kind of storm. Not only that, but I feel like it looks cakey under my eye. Hopefully I can get some use out of this. Or if not, maybe I can set it aside for somebody who will use it. There's not much that you can really say about a translucent powder. The value of the Ciate Lende. I do that every time. Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Why do we have to add more words than necessary to these products? Could somebody explain this to me? Anyway, the value of the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder is $22. There you go, Cindy. Was it worth it? Was it worth it for you to complain mid-sentence to have to say the entire name all over again? Probably not. Final product that I have is, I have not heard of this brand before. It's the Apto Skincare Antioxidant Mask with Pomegranate. It says backed by top aesthetic. I promise I went to college. My tongue gets sticky sometimes. Aestheticians, that's it. Backed by top aestheticians, Apto removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas like this soothing antioxidant rich mask. So it does say, in need of post-sun repair, apply a thin layer to overexposed skin and let it sit for 10 minutes. Before it dries down, gently rinse and follow with a moisturizer. So is this claiming to be able to, you know, deal with sunburn? That's interesting. Okay, appeasing skin and reducing redness, ideal for the first few weeks after summer or any time where the skin has been overexposed to sunlight. Well, that's kind of nice. And this is another situation where I have a lot of masks already, but this intrigues me. If it's supposed to also help with like sunburn or sun damage, it might be worth trying. So the Apto Skincare Antioxidant Mask with Pomegranate is $36. Value of my box for September is $154. That's a pretty darn good deal when you consider that we only pay $25 for the box. For this month, it's probably not going to be a very fair comparison. I do not have my BoxyLux yet, but it is a BoxyLux month, so I'm going to get way more products this month with my BoxyCharm than I, get with the Ipsy. I'm not happy that I got the color of lipstick that I got. And I guess I'm okay with this. I think a lot of people got this. Nice that I got some skincare product. How do I feel about the box? It's okay. If I do go down to one box right now, I think I am leaning more towards BoxyCharm and probably getting rid of this, which surprises me because if you'd asked me back in like February, March timeframe, I probably would have been more along the lines of I'm going to cut my BoxyCharm and keep my Ipsy. Have the tables turned. Ipsy has announced all these huge changes that are going to take place next month in October. I'm a little bit nervous about them because they have this new Ipsy Ultimate, I think, which is essentially what the BoxyLux is, only you're having it every month. You're paying $50 to get 8 full size items every month. That's a little much for me personally, but maybe there's a lot of folks out there. I think that they should have gone the way of BoxyCharm where they offered that once every 3 months, maybe as an addendum to the Glam Bag Plus. And apparently now the Glam Bag Plus will now come with a makeup bag, which nice. I used the makeup bags that I had from my original Ipsy subscription, the Glam Bag, to organize my purse, so I'm sure that would be nice. But at the same time, now you have the right to choose an item, and now I'm really concerned about that because it makes me wonder if it's going to end up being like Hunger Games every month to try and grab the most choice item. For example, I think a few months ago we had the Sunday Riley cream that everybody wanted, everybody went crazy over. Does that mean you're going to constantly have to be checking and dealing with website crashes, that sort of thing, every month to make sure that you get the best product? I ain't got time for that. And I don't have the time to, of course, sit there and keep refreshing the app to see, what I can get. If I find out that the quality of my Glam Bag Pluses go down, that would not be a value for me. And I think I would probably choose to get rid of my Glam Bag Plus and possibly my Ipsy subscription altogether. The other thing is that I did notice that for this month, and I don't know if it was because it was Labor Day, but there was an unusual high volume, and I noticed that the app and I think the website crashed. Because I tried to go in and pick some add-ons or just to see what add-ons were there, and it crashed. Of course, by the time I remembered to go back and look, all the good stuff was gone. And so I'm a little bit upset by that, and I'm a little bit concerned that that's exactly what's going to happen with the pick your own product thing next month. But I'd be interested in, anybody in the comments, if you want to mention anything in the comments about what you think. Possible that Ipsy might go by the wayside. It's possible that might happen anyway, just because I'm probably suffering from product overload, but I definitely don't want to be paying the same price as everybody else if I'm not getting all the best products offered monthly. I want to see how October goes, and I want to see if it does end up being that situation where the website crashes because everybody wants to hurry up and pick their one item. Even if they were to open it up on a certain other day and it crashes, and then not everybody gets the one good product that everybody's kind of clamoring for. I hope Ipsy limits that choosing your own product to just like a very select few that wouldn't necessarily be the highest items in the box. That's what I would like to see from that program. With that said, have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.